3 decades, thousands of satisfied customers, one iconic brand name, the Oriental House. Oriental House has been a hotspot for Ottawa food lovers for over 30 years. Serving authentic Cantonese and Sichuan specialties in the heart of downtown Ottawa, we have built a loyal following of locals and visitors alike. Excellent food and a welcoming atmosphere make this place the gold standard of Chinese dining in Canada's capital. We invite you to come and discover the legacy at orientalhouse.ca.